How often do you think about where the last fruit or vegetable you ate came from? Maybe you never do. Maybe that's because you don't think it's that important. Well, if you put it into perspective, maybe it is. We live on Earth. Earth is 71% water, 29% land. Of that 29%, 71% is habitable, and half of that habitable land, 51 million square kilometers, is being used for agriculture. Want to know how big that is? The area of the average human with their arms reaching out sideways is about 5.45 by 5.45 feet. 5.45 times 5.45 feet is 29.7025 feet squared, which equals roughly 0.0000276 square kilometers. So that means the 51 million square kilometers used for farming would be the same as around 18.5 trillion people all making snow angels next to each other. So yeah, big. For something that exists at such a large scale, you could assume that agriculture also has huge impacts on people and the planet. And you would be right. About 26.7% of the world population, 2 billion people, rely on agriculture for their livelihoods. And at the same time, current agricultural practices are wreaking havoc on the environment. In the Amazon rainforest, around 17% of the forest has been lost in the last 50 years, mostly in order to create space for cattle ranching. In 2019 alone, tropical rainforests were being cut down at a rate so high, an area equivalent to 30 soccer fields was lost every minute. Agriculture has also led to increased soil degradation, or the decline in soil condition, dead zones, which are areas in oceans or lakes that failed to support marine life, and also pollutants being released into the atmosphere. These events have been happening for decades, but there are better ways to practice agriculture, like agroforestry, permaculture, and crop rotation. What happens in the future depends on what we do now. Signing off for New Media Lit, this is Elizabeth Salmon.